You can add formatted text to a View panel sheet area by configuring it as a text box. The text box supports scrolling, word wrapping, alignment, font size, font color, and background color formatting. Activate the View panel and clear it by using the menu commands File, New. Choose the 3 worksheet partitions group bar, and then the option 3 areas, where the bottom is split into 2 even areas, and a larger horizontal area is above them. Click in the center of the View sheet lower left area, right-click, and choose the option Display Type, Text Box. In the upper left of the text box, click on the Settings toolbar, which appears as a gear icon. Configure the text box dialog settings as shown. Set the font size to 14. Set the foreground color to white. Set the background color to a custom RGB setting of 4, 65, and 35.